Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today we're going to do a quick introduction to one of Premier's newest yarns, Flora. So, if you guys are interested in purchasing, there will be an affiliate link in the description box down below. If you're not interested in purchasing, I completely understand. If you want to use somebody else's affiliate link, I get it. But I did want to share this with you guys, and I'm even more excited than when I first got it because since I got it, I've already started working with it. So we're kind of like ahead on the game, but okay. Flora, pretty, springy. We're very in season right now. Very much Eastery colors. I got 4 of the color Thistle and 4 of the color River. And I've already started crocheting a shawl with Thistle. And I will be knitting a shawl with River. Here I will insert the little color card of all the other colors that this comes in. I love the colors. So I love Marl. And I actually just got done talking about with the release of the Trinket yarn, I like carry on long yarns as well. So this yarn is a 2 fluffy ply yarn. Let's see if I can... We got an end here for the Thistle I'm already working with. So we have 2 fluffy plies in this yarn, if I can get my fingers to work here. And then you can see there's one almost like a carry along yarn already spun into the yarn. That's kind of how this works. So very fun, very funky, very like what I'm into right now and kind of what I'm looking for as far as like the visual texture that this yarn gives. I am using the Premier Trinket yarn, creating a very similar thing, using the Trinket as a carry along with another yarn. But I really love that just like little of another texture and color thrown in there, which is why I enjoy the carry alongs. So I was very excited when I saw this launch because I was like, hey, that's kind of just like what a carry along does, except this is already pre-built into a bulky weight yarn. And of course we're getting like super shine and sheen. Normally my lighting is perfectly set up for filming at 8 o'clock in the morning. Unfortunately, I've been filming after 1 o'clock in the afternoon where we're getting under lighting coming in here. And I cannot for the life of me keep all the extra light off so we can get perfect lighting again so you can really see that color. And it's a problem for things like this where I'm trying to actually show you color on something. So, very excited. Stats. So this is 98 yards, 9 meters, 3.5 ounces, 9 grams, 100 grams. It is 85% acrylic, 14% rayon from bamboo, 1% nylon. This is a size 5 bulky yarn. Recommended needle size is a 6.5 millimeter / 10.5 US knitting needle. Hook recommendation is a 6.5 millimeter, a US K-10.5. So this is definitely a bulky yarn. I am not, as many of you guys will know, a huge fan of bulky yarn. For me, they just kind of tire up my hands to use them a lot. However, this stuff is so light. It is so light in the hand. It is so light to work with it. And it just kind of glides through the fingers. So we're going to have kind of a quick mini review because I have worked 3 balls of the Thistle already on this shawl. I will be releasing a tutorial for how I made this shawl and giving directions on how to make it your own as well. But I want you guys to see crocheted. How cute is that? And especially for just something to kind of, you know, pop on over a little outfit. And this would be cute in so many different ways. But I am really enjoying working with this yarn. It's got a nice slip to it. It feels light and lofty. You can see it's not super densely plied, so you're not getting that thick yarn you're going to fight. It's nice and it's got a drape to it. Once again, we've talked about this in the understanding yarn fibers thing. Rayon does just tend to add like a little drape to yarn, but there's so much air in the way this is plied to begin with. It's already soft, even with the acrylic content and everything. It does have a halo to it. You can kind of see it there, picking up a little bit. So we do have a nice halo to the yarn. So this is definitely not a yarn I would do like a sweater or anything with, but hat, cowl, maybe like a wrister, maybe not fingerless gloves just because of the palm, but like any type of wrister, boot cuffs, things like that, leg warmers. This would be so cute in so many different accessories, but anything where you're not going to get a whole lot of friction rubbing up against the final project, I would definitely recommend this for. So that's why I chose shawls, but also I just happen to love shawls. So, it is kind of just like on brand for me with shawls, but I really enjoy this yarn. I think it's really pretty and I really am enjoying the Eastery, springy colors. And I love the fact it's kind of got like a built-in carry along with it. It just adds dimension and a little extra something to the fiber. I cannot wait to start knitting the next shawl because the crochet went so fast. It went so fast. In about an hour and a half. Now, I do crochet fast, don't get me wrong. But in about an hour and a half, I had used 2 skeins putting into the first half of this shawl. And I didn't have any of that like achy hand, stiff hand thing. The hardest part was the fact I'm holding a larger hook than I would normally use. And that's not the yarn's fault. So I like this. Machine wash cold. I would hand wash just because it is so floofy and light. I would not trust this going through even my HE washer, but it does say machine wash, lay flat to dry. Definitely lay flat to dry with this yarn. But yeah, we will come back with my final reviews. But as you can tell, having already started working with it, I think that review is going in the right direction. So I love you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day. As always, I look forward to seeing you real soon. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section. I love hearing what you guys think. Have you guys already ordered some? What did you think of working with it? What have you made with it? Or what are you planning on making with it? I'll see y'all soon. Bye, guys.